Previously on WeWanderlustCo, we visited Tianhao Temple, a 6-tier temple that's one of the largest and oldest Buddhist temples in Southeast Asia and one of the most beautiful we've ever seen. The visit was well worth it, but today we move on to a super vibrant part of KL, Brickfields, also known as Little India. Friendly locals, delicious food, and home to KL Sentral, which is Malaysia's largest transit hub. Let's explore the more colorful side of KL. We are in Brickfields, which is known as KL's Little India due to its high percentage of Indian residents and a lot of businesses owned by Indians. And not forgetting, it is home to KL Sentral, which is the city's central hub for public transportation.
You know you're in Brickfields because the arches that you see behind us is actually famous for making this place stand out as Brickfields. You know you're in Little India because, you know, just the colorful theme of this whole place.
Mm-hmm.
Well, once you walked in, first of all, we were greeted with a brick.
Pretty one.
Yeah. And then, just walk just a couple of hundred feet and all you start seeing is colors, which is so reminiscent of Indian culture.
It's really nice because this is actually I feel like one of the main attractions of Little India. You see this very vibrant, colorful arches and you know which part of KL you're in. And we see this cute little alley full of people making the garlands, and I guess it's for either weddings maybe, or definitely for offerings for the temple. But it looks so cute. It's a cute little alleyway. I've never been to one of these types of alleyways, so it's such a beautiful feeling. Like just seeing all the garlands and all the flowers. Everyone has beautiful smiles.
Yes, for sure.
Gosh, everyone's so nice here.
Yeah.
They are so focused with their work, which is
They're
nice
very
to
crafty,
see.
yeah.
It's nice to see. And it kind of smells like when you go into a mandir, when you go into like an Indian temple. Yeah, it's like a little bit of incense with that fragrant floral smell. Very nice. Fragrance that it's coming out of the store is kind of reminding us of like Indian stores back home in Fiji.
Yeah.
And one of them I can name, which is called Ninu's in Nandish.
Yeah, the smell of the clothes. Indian clothes have a very distinct smell.
Yeah.
I cannot describe it. It's not.
It's the threads, who knows? These are so pretty. As if I don't have enough jewelry, but I guess these sets of anklets you will only find here in Little India. Yes, thank you so much. That's been a long time. Last time I had some dal was back home in primary school. My goodness, it's so nice to finally have some dal.
And what else you got there?
Big bag of bananas.
It's funny because we kind of grew up in Fiji eating these, right?
Yes.
I haven't had much of the dal, the yellow one. A lot of the green peas for sure.
Yeah, I always used to have dal. Like I would get 20 cents from my parents for my lunch break or like a recess. I would go to the canteen and probably buy some dal. It's so good.
Now we got a pack of 2 for 10. Which is not bad.
Only in Little India I've seen this. Wow. I was just telling Waseem, like a lot of things that we're seeing here, we've seen back home. And I'm like, how are these people getting these things? Export, import, I'm not sure. But these mangoes, last time I ate them was again. Wow. It's 7 ringgit for 1 kg.
1 kg.
We have gotten our apple mangoes.
And it was how much?
For a kg was 7 ringgit. So for 2 I got it for 8 something.
Yeah, so it was like a half a kg for 1. Yeah, not bad.
Totally worth it. Can't wait to devour this once we get back.
There's a bunch of food stalls There's flower shops for the fairs. We've seen a lot of jewelry shops
Yeah.
and a whole bunch of fashion and clothing.
Yeah, lots of clothing. Like
yeah.
it's just so reminiscent, I guess, of India and like everything Indian, right?
Yeah.
So like the fragrances,
look.
the vibrancy of the clothing,
Yeah.
the streets, the people, even like they're really friendly and we have like loud Punjabi music playing here. Like
Yeah.
so, Yeah. How are you?
From which country?
California.
California, yes.
Originally from
Originally from Fiji Islands. We are good. Thank you so much.
Oh, Malaysia, okay.
Yeah, very nice. Lovely people.
Yeah,
Very
yeah.
nice. This is our first day here in Little India.
Oh, Little India.
And
Tomorrow?
it's tomorrow we will go to Putrajaya.
Putrajaya.
Yeah. But we really love it here. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, Auntie, take care. Bye.
Alright. Wow, look at her mangoes. What?
So big.
Very nice.
Got mangoes too.
Yeah, I would totally recommend her place.
Like if I knew
Very
that there
likable.
were these many food stalls here in Little India,
Oh yeah, I would have.
I honestly probably would have booked accommodation around this area. But I think that's what I would recommend to any one of you coming out here. Try to book the accommodation in Brickfields because it is the KL Sentral is here, and it's great to just get around to even different cities from here. And the fruit stalls, like I
Yeah.
can't deny that. If I
No.
knew, I would have stayed here.
I mean, if you think about it, we've done a good amount of shopping.
Mangoes, bananas,
Yeah.
jackfruit.
Yeah,
what
yeah,
else is in
bananas.
there? Like
you got your snacks,
Yeah.
fried
peas and
peas.
lentils.
Yeah, and can we go? Can we go and get some coconuts? It's looking good.
Totally. Let's do it. Hello, can I have one packet coconut water
Ice.
with ice?
Yes.
Yes, please. Just a little bit. Thank you. We got our coconut water in a packet. We found this really cool spot called Mr. Naan and Mrs. Idli. And I think we only entered because the name was so quirky and cute. So,
Yeah.
of course, I had to get my favorite idli. I think this is, honestly, I don't know what this is, but I know this is coconut chutney. Some type
nice.
of maybe sambar. And like, yeah, what these two things, they usually come with it, but in all my life, I haven't really questioned it. I don't know what it is. Maybe this is a tomato
Well-
base and this is more of like a lentil base. I'm not sure.
Possibly, yeah.
But I'm definitely here for the idli.
Nice.
And Waseem has gotten something even more delicious, so we'll have to wait for his meal. Vegetarians, if you're vegan, vegetarian, this is a great place for us to come. So Waseem got the paneer tikka butter. So it's like a tikka masala, but it's
Paneer
it's
is,
cottage cheese. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it looks really delicious. Very rich, lots of curry, super hot, and then he also got a ghee paratha. So the ghee paratha is like, this is the first time we're going to be trying this, so that should be interesting. I think it's big enough, but we might
Oh wow. Okay.
order another one.
I didn't even know. Yeah.
Ooh, it smells of ghee.
Really.
Oh yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna try this. So this is the sambar, I was told, and this is the tomato chutney. This is the coconut chutney. This is idli, which is steamed rice flour, and it's nice and super fluffy. And they had like ghee all over top. This is the first time I'm having like a ghee idli. Simple, but probably so good. I'll try it in my favorite, which is the coconut.
What's familiar? Yeah.
Oh, the ghee taste is just really overpowering the
Really?
plain idli flavor. Yeah, but it's really good. I know I'm going to enjoy my idli because whether I have it with a chutney or not, I love idli because it's so like floury and fluffy. But yeah, I'm going to enjoy it. And this sambar actually is really flavorful. And it's kind of spicy. It's like an after.
Yeah.
It's a kick. Gives you a kick after. It has some potatoes in it, so this is gonna be filling. But I'm also excited to try Waseem's paneer.
Yeah. Let's go.
Okay, ghee paratha and paneer butter,
Yeah.
paneer tikka butter.
Masala.
Yeah, this is the first time. Let's
What's up?
try.
It's pretty good.
It kind of tastes like chicken, but
Yeah.
it's just vegetarian.
It's cheese, yeah.
Nicely balanced.
Yeah.
It's just a bit spicy. I feel like my sambar was spicier than this.
Yeah.
And it has like a nice thick gravy with all the spices mixed in. I don't know how many spices, but for I guess South Indian vegetarian food, this is so good. The Indians, Fiji Island.
Yeah, we'll try one tea. You ready?
This is a roadside tea.
Yeah.
Here, and it's only
It was
1 million.
spontaneous.
Super spontaneous.
Yeah.
It is hot. This is the first time we've done this.
I would say I've never had roadside chai.
Yeah.
No.
So cool. They have tea and coffee.
Yeah, well, with tea, it's hopefully it's like masala chai or something like that.
Let's see. Ooh. Wow.
Is it good?
Yeah. And especially Waseem, he's really gonna like it because it doesn't like the milk to be too thick.
Yeah.
This is light milk.
Nice.
Lots of spices.
Oh, wow.
It's packed with spices and really
Is it good?
Really good.
Nice.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Cheers, guys.
Yeah.
Our first street side chai. Master tea maker.
This guy. Okay, nice. Okay.
It's a good team.
Okay, tea.
And if you're here in the Brickfields area and you want to do some shopping, you can come over to New Central, which is a part of KL Sentral. It's a huge shopping plaza with a whole bunch of stores. But the main reason we came is this. This beautiful escalator.
That has a very vertigo, parallax type of effect that if you're going up or down, mostly going up, it feels like it's a never-ending escalator right up.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Great for photography.
Yeah.
Joshim. So Joshim Bhai here has given us some delicious samosas, potato, sabji, which is vegetables.
We went for the
We
potatoes.
got 5 potatoes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
Really, this is all for Waseem. This is all he wanted.
Yeah.
Samosas.
Samosas. We're actually gonna go to the umbrella area.
Yeah, it's called Umbrella Walk Street.
So on our way, I was like, hey, how about we grab some samosas? And yeah, it is umbrella street and there's no umbrellas.
It seems like the umbrellas flew away.
Yeah.
We're not sure what happened, but I guess we're just gonna walk down the colorful street and at least enjoy the beautiful colored walls. Wow, to think that we've seen so many photos and videos of all the umbrellas lined up here. We're not quite sure what happened, but you still have the beautiful colored
Colored
walls
walls, yeah.
if you just want to come take, different color photos with
Yeah.
the walls. And they're actually pretty colors and shades.
Yes.
So it's not just like purple, it's like a lilac lavender
Uh-huh.
shade, which is nice. It is hot. It is sizzling. The demand is high.
Yeah.
Supply is not low. But I'm here just to get my 2 fried bananas.
Yeah.
This is one of the most popular spots to come get your pisang goreng. And today I have 2 fried bananas from this popular place. It's called the Brickfields Pisang Goreng. It's right here on the corner of the street, right across the cafe. They're super popular. They have been here for decades.
Really?
Yeah, if not like 100 years, I'm not sure. I'll leave the information down below and the exact location to where this is. But it's super popular and I wanted to try it for myself because I feel like I'm a little bit of a fried banana connoisseur. So we'll see. Delicious. Let's go eat. We hope you enjoyed coming with us to explore a different side of KL, see a little bit of Little India.
Yeah, it was a fun-filled day.
Yeah, it was super nice.
Yeah.
And we finished it off in really good fashion here at Brickfields Pisang Goreng.
Yeah.
Popular place to go to get your fried bananas at least.
Yeah. Alright guys, if you guys like this video, like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys guys in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.
Next on WeWanderlustCo.
Going on a road trip. Woo!
And then yeah, the highway seems really well developed. I would say everybody's cruising through. Yes, we don't have a smart tag,